In this third and last video on the general overview, we will conclude the list of features offered by Melis. By clicking on this button, we will exit from the wallet. Then, this other button will allow us to create a new personal account with the cryptocurrencies supported by Melis. You can consult the video How to Open an Account, whose link is in the descriptions of this video, to get the details of how to do it. The following icon will take us to the section of the wallet dedicated to the general settings. In the Preferences tab, we will find many informations: the version of the wallet, the language chosen, the preferred currency with which compare the supported cryptocurrencies. We can enable notifications that communicate important events in real time, and, very important, we can send informations regarding any application error. In the Coin tab, we find the cryptocurrencies supported by Melis. For the moment, they are Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. For each one, we can choose the measure with which to count our funds and the exchange to know their market value. Then we find the Security tab. This is a very important section of the wallet, because through it we can guarantee an extra level of security to our funds. Enabling the two-factor authentication is strongly recommended to add a further threshold to your defenses against malicious people who manage to take over our credentials. We will dedicate a video to explain the enabling of the two-factor authentication. The next tab is Devices. Here we will find information regarding the devices to which we have associated our account. Only from the primary device you can see all the accounts available on the other devices, in addition to being able to change their name, of course. The option Primary Change Delay will help us to change the primary device with a period ranging from 1 day to 30 days. In the Accounts tab, we found the list of our accounts and their associated cryptocurrencies, as well as being able to make them safe by hiding them from other devices except the primary one. In the end, in the Maintenance tab, we find the possibility to do important operations. One is about the backup. If you hadn't done it when opening your first account, you can retrieve the keywords by clicking on the button called Do the Backup, while you can verify if you have put them aside properly by clicking on the button Check the Backup. Then there is the possibility to create a new account and choose different types of single-user or multi-user account, with or without the server signature. While, if you have a membership code, you can use it to join an account as a co-signer. In this section, you can also change PIN code of your account, or activate the danger zone to delete your account.